In today's video, I'll demonstrate how you may earn money online even if you're new to it, broke and short on cash. Yes, you're right. If you've been waiting to make money online, this is one of the greatest ways to start even if you've never done it before because you don't need any money to do it. I've been making money online for a while now and I still do it every day, proving that it is possible to do so. In fact, in one of my most recent videos on my channel, I demonstrated to my subscribers how I generated $45,000 in 3 days, and in another, I demonstrate how I generate $3,000 every day online. Therefore, keep watching and pay attention to the tips and techniques I'll be sharing with you.
But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them.
By the end of this video, I'll have taken you from a total beginner to an expert, and you'll know how to generate money online. In this video, we're going to go over a few basic stages that will lead you through this and show you how to start and create wealth online. Therefore, the first step is easy. We must really locate a network and a product to market, and you may be wondering how you can do this and earn money online without having a network or a product to market. Actually, you don't need your own product to earn money online anymore. In reality, you may do this by visiting the ClickBank website. You can locate products where you can earn a commission because ClickBank is now an affiliate marketing marketplace. Coming up more on that. It's incredibly simple to create an account, which is what you should do. The next step is to sign in and select Marketplace, which will take you to a page similar to this one where you may browse for specific products to market. For instance, if you click on e-business and e-marketing, I would profit by $100 if I push this. If I promoted this, I'd get paid $20. So, this is what you actually create, and you'll have to do to advertise a product is click promote. I'll click generate hop links, and this link will appear. You've done over $50,000 in this account over the past 2 weeks, so I have been making quite an amount of money with this week. Our current balance is between $17,000 and $40,000. The topic I want to address with you is that, if we return to the market, there are numerous sectors in which you can discover goods to market. Now, for this specific strategy, I advise you to select a product that is related to a past time, something you know a little bit about, or something you are truly interested in. These are the kinds of things that we can advertise. Therefore, for this illustration, let's go to the games and enter the gaming niche. We will receive $131 for each sale of these Doogie World of Warcraft guides. Thus, 260 would be consumed daily if there were 2 or 3 of such. This one is the $223 in the FIFA games, and we have it here. We have more if we descend. World of Warcraft gold guides like this one are available for $354 a piece. Therefore, this is where you really locate the goods to market. What I could do right now is to open this up. All I would need to do is click promote to generate this generated link, and then I would direct people to this link here so they could purchase this product and obtain extra money in World of Warcraft. This is the gold one. Now, if someone buys the gold in the course of whatever it is, you receive money, and the owner of the commodity receives money as well. Affiliate marketing is what it's called, but most individuals struggle with how to really persuade customers to make a purchase. What is the traffic like? In spite of the fact that there are many items available for promotion, I advise choosing one for which you have some familiarity in order to maximize the effectiveness of our traffic generating strategy. This brings us to the next action. The second stage is to drive traffic to your link. So let's say you've found an industry and a product on ClickBank that you're interested in. By the way, if you visit the affiliate website, you can find materials that you can utilize in accordance with the goods you promote there. While other people lack resources, this one does. You can use their banners, videos, and free trials. Also available is a page offering a free trial. PPC campaigns, often known as pay-per-click campaigns, are an option. They already have ad copy written. Here's how we obtain free traffic right now. In other words, if we actually go to Facebook on your Facebook profile, you want to go down to groups and search groups. I'll type World of Warcraft in. Now, it doesn't really matter if you play generic video games or other things, but if you play Warcraft, it's quite specific. Now, the majority of online gurus would typically advise you to enter these groups and spam your link, but you don't want to do that because it won't be effective in the long run. You won't continuously make money with that strategy. Therefore, what you should do is benefit from a current Facebook initiative. Facebook is therefore actively encouraging groups, and groups are rapidly expanding. I have a group on Facebook with 37,000 members, but I haven't actually done much to market it. Instead, I've just let Facebook handle it. Therefore, what you should do is start your own group based on Worldcraft or whatever product you're attempting to market. Simply click here and select group to get started. Then, you want to start a group on World of Warcraft tips and include the keyword in the group name, which can be something like World of Warcraft tips. You should now be adding value to the group. Get people involved and maintain their interest. There are several ways to accomplish this, including pools and questionnaires. A statement like, "Look, we need to get rid of the spam." Avoid doing it since you will only be barred. You want to contribute value. That's it. One of the faithful members is shown above, and he has essentially written a whole piece about value, to which hundreds of people have responded. Facebook actually pushes your group to many locations as part of what they do. As a result, they will first push it into the search box. But when users are really in groups, your group will appear as a suggested group in the sidebar. Because Facebook is promoting groups more and more, that is how you build these groups. If I go to groups right now and remove World of Warcraft, all of these groups will be suggested to individuals when they visit the Discover page, and we have categories. There are a variety of things here, such groups with 105,000, 102,000, and 85,000 members. Basically, you want to create your own community and maintain it because if you do, Facebook will promote it. Here's a little trick right now. If you're unsure of where to find advice on this subject, actually, all you need to do is perform a Google search for World of Warcraft tips and visit these websites to rewrite your own article using this kind of information. Simply rewrite it in your group since this group did an excellent job and people are starting to show more interest. You should go write some incredibly fascinating materials and broaden that group. Once your group has expanded, you may begin to make money off of it. I thus upload YouTube videos here and make money from them. I make money from all of my products, and I also have this pinned post at the top. You might go ahead and add your ClickBank affiliate link on this group since people who come and see these links and make money from them. Right now, expanding your organization is much crucial than trying to create money right immediately. Facebook will catch on if you start spamming your group with links, and your groups will vanish. Many of my organizations had to form new groups as a result of what happened. You should focus on increasing engagement before posting a link to the product, perhaps once a week. Just refrain from doing it every day. Now, the best part about Facebook and their group structure is that they now have things on the side like growth, stuff, and engagement stats, so you can actually see how your group is growing, and you can keep growing it by putting in the effort to provide value. The result is that your group shows up on the suggested feed on Facebook, and I'm telling you right now, groups are really growing fast in Facebook. 28,000, 7,000, 21,000, 4,000, 49,000, and 71,000 are all in this area. You can market these products to all of these people because you are in the World of Warcraft niche, and ClickBank has 2 products that can market there. All you need to do is market this one, which is available in the World of Warcraft niche for $354. Once your group is established, you can post it here, but you must first add value to the group's growth in order to turn it into a reliable source of money. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.